Hey everyone, welcome back to Digital Dive, where we break down the latest in tech with honest reviews and no fluff. And today, we've got something unexpected from Apple, but not from the AirPods line. That's right, the Beats Fit Pro 2 has just leaked, and it looks like Apple is quietly gearing up to launch a new version of its most workout-friendly earbuds. While all eyes are on AirPods Pro 3, Apple is playing the long game by updating the Beats Fit Pro, and it could be a serious move against both the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro and even their own AirPods lineup. So what exactly is new? Let's break down what the leaks are saying. First off, the design is getting a slight but important upgrade. The original Beats Fit Pro already had that secure wingtip fit that made them perfect for gym use. The Fit Pro 2 is expected to keep that same comfort-focused form, but with better sweat resistance and a smaller case, perfect for slipping into your pocket without bulk. New colors are also rumored, possibly a fresh green, matte black, and a deep red. Very on brand for Beats, but with Apple polish. Now let's talk about what's happening under the hood. The Beats Fit Pro 2 will reportedly include Apple's latest H2 chip, the same one found in the AirPods Pro 2. That means better connectivity, lower latency, and, personalized spatial audio. So while these are technically not AirPods, you're still getting that premium Apple experience. But here's where it gets interesting. Android support is not being ignored. Unlike AirPods, Beats Fit Pro plays nice with both iOS and Android, and that could be Apple's secret play. These earbuds could be the go-to choice for people who want high-end features but aren't fully inside Apple's ecosystem. In terms of features, we're expecting active noise cancellation, transparency mode, and support for Hey Siri. The battery life is also rumored to get a boost, with up to 8 hours of listening time on a single charge, and around 30 hours total with the case. That's on par with or better than most top-tier earbuds in 2025. Now here's the big question: why is Apple doing this? The truth is, AirPods aren't for everyone. Some users want a more stable, sport-friendly fit or simply prefer the Beats sound profile, which tends to lean heavier on the bass. By updating the Beats Fit Pro, Apple is covering that market segment, and maybe even stealing back a few Android users who were leaning towards Samsung or Sony. And let's be honest, the competition is heating up. Samsung's Galaxy Buds 3 Pro just leaked. Google is prepping Pixel Buds Pro 2. Even nothing is getting in the mix. So it makes sense that Apple would fire back with something a little different, and that's what Beats Fit Pro 2 might be. No official release date yet, but insiders say Q4 2025, just in time for the holiday shopping season. Pricing is expected to stay around $199, just like the original. So, are the Beats Fit Pro 2 worth waiting for? If you're into fitness, want solid ANC, and love the idea of Apple power without being locked into AirPods, they might just be the sleeper hit of the year. Let me know what you think. Are you sticking with your AirPods or Samsung Buds, or are you interested in checking out what Beats has to offer this time around? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And of course, don't forget to like, subscribe to Digital Dive, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next big leak or review. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.